Okay.
So, I understand you have been working diligently to try and get a better job for a while.
Yes.
Okay. And one of the big limiting factors in your world is you do not have a decent laptop.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you now have a decent laptop. That's
Are you
a brand
serious?
new in the it's really basic. It's a really simple laptop.
Uh huh.
But that is a brand new laptop for you. And in helping you to get gainful employment and fundamentally
That is
improve your
awesome.
quality of life. You got your cigarettes out?
I have some cigarettes.
Yeah? Are they in your pocket?
No, they're in a box. I made them.
Oh, okay. Well, here. You're done smoking cigarettes now, too.
Oh,
That's your first e-cig.
thank you.
It won't be your last, but it's your first.
Cool.
I will give you this, but you have to give me all your cigarettes.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. You're done. You are now an ex-smoker.
All right.
But you are on the path to decent job and not smoking.
That's
all right?
cool.
All right.
That's
Thank
awesome.
you, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.